Hello everyone, welcome back to my coding place. Today we're going to be learning about layers using Kleki.com. So your instructor should show you how to download a page and upload it to Kleki. From there, I want you to select the layers tab, and as you can see, we have two layers. So layer 1 is the blank white page, and layer 2 is our coloring book page. So I want you to add a new layer by clicking the plus symbol. Once you have added the new layer, I want you to select the paint bucket tool. From there, you can start filling in the petals, in my case for my flower coloring book page. And you're able to fill in the petals because it's closed in, surrounding by the black lines. And so yeah, just keep filling in your coloring book page. Once you come to a point where you want to color in the background, we're going to add a new layer. So I want you to go to the layers section and add a new layer using the plus symbol. And so now that that layer is selected, you can go back to the paint bucket tool and select a color that you would like to fill in the background. As you can see, once we have filled in our backgrounds, the other petals and flowers in the pot isn't filled in. So you can go back to layer 3 and fill the rest of your coloring book page in. But since the background on mine didn't fully get filled in, I'm going to use layer 4. I used layer 3, but you should be using layer 4 to fill that in because that is the background. But now that we're on layer 3, I want you to continue filling in the flowers and the leaves for the coloring book page. Okay, so when you come to a point where your coloring book page is full, you're going to be adding some texture to the background. Okay, so I want you to choose layer 4 and choose the brush tool and copy the sizes and opacity that I am using, and make sure you use the second tool on the bottom, that is the chalk symbol, and start filling in the background and make sure you're on layer 4. And so you can get a little messy with this. You can use the brush tool over your coloring book page because we're going to fix that. So just keep filling it in all the way into the background. Point where you're done filling in the texture for the background, I want you to click the layers page, and we're going to be moving our layers around. So I want you to move layer 3 on top of layer 4, and you can see that the texture is no longer on the pot or on the flowers. And you can play around with the other layers by moving them. To move them, just click on them using your mouse and just drag them up or down. And so yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one.